for now, we are ready for our actual testing. It's already set up, already connected with the water line. Then AC supply is ready. This is our temperature control with switch on and off. It has a standby multi-tester. Then we do our water line switch or sensor actual testing with water. I already removed it from the board and connected to the multi-tester. We will check the condition on water line switch with a water. So that's it. We are ready. When water is on, when we notice the multi-tester, it will not switch. So we confirm that the water line switch is not in good condition, but we will connect with a magnet, then observe the switch. I already put a magnet. Oh, the multi-tester is on. Then we off the water, it will off. So okay, we already confirmed the switch. When the water is on, it will on. So we use a magnet only to on the water line switch. Then off the water, you notice that the switch is off. Then you open the water, it will on. Okay, so we are ready for our next, the actual testing. We will remove this. So we are ready for our water heater actual testing. We will connect it to the temperature board. So we are ready. Actual testing, we will plug this to the AC outlet. We will off first. Okay. Okay. It has an already ALCB is on. So we have an AC supply now. So we will wait the power indicator to light on. Just observe. Even if we on this, the power indicator is not on. So we'll adjust the temperature. It will not on. So this will need a water to on this. So since we don't have any temperature gadget, I will use this clock as our temperature measurement. So observe the power indicator lead. When we open the water, then it will on. So it is okay. We will wait to measure the heat temperature. Our starting temperature is 28 degree. So we will wait and observe till the temperature will change. It is already hot since I touched the water. It's okay, but this clock, we will wait till this temperature will change. I only cover the clock with a plastic cellophane to avoid damage, just to see the monitoring of the temperature. It's already full the heat temperature. Then we will wait. And now the temperature is 30 degree. So it's okay. You see the changes of the temperature. Since I like the water, it's nice to have an hot shower. So I hope you get some tips on how to solve a water heater no hot problem. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Okay, and now 30 degree. So we'll wait our final. This is our final test, 31 degree. So thank you. See you next time or our next topic. Thanks for watching, everyone. 31 degree.